Okay, let us solve this problem. Question number 6. This problem is a bigger one, so it might take some more time rather than 1 minute. Let me start the timer anyway. Right. Okay, masses x and y. Oh my god, I have to take the pen. Right. Okay. Okay. So masses x and y are shown over here. One is 3 kg and one is 6 kg. And what you do is you compress the spring and then you release it. And while you compress, the total energy of the spring is seen to be 1 joule. The moment you release, what will happen? This 6 kg mass will move to this point and this 3 kg will move to this point over here. Now while it moves, it will have some velocity. Now the masses are released. What is the maximum speed reached by mass y? So when they are released, what is the maximum speed by this one? So when does it have a maximum speed? Only at this point it will have a maximum speed. We need to find. Now this is a problem very much related to collision. In collision, what happens? Two objects collide with each other, right? But here there are two objects which are released, which means there's an expansion, right? So therefore you can use your conservation of momentum. When you use conservation of momentum, what do I get? Let us say this is my V1, this is my V2. So as a result of this, I can now write 3V1, 3V1, so, or maybe I'll write, okay, this is a 6V2, 6V2 minus 3V1. Why? Because positive, this is negative. This is the momentum after expansion is equal to momentum before expansion. What is the momentum of before the expansion? There was no motion of these objects, so it is 0. So which means V1 should be equal to 2V2, right? So we have got this one here. Are we doing it rightly? This is V1, so V1 should be equal to 2V2, right? Then, now let us take up the energy. Conservation of energy is also seen because it's elastic expansion. So, the initial energy was seen to be 1 joule. The final energy is, because both of them start moving, it should be half into, what is m? Half mv1 square. What is m? So this is 6 multiplied by v2 square plus half into, what is this now? 3 multiplied by v1 square. We already know v1 equal to 2v2. Let us substitute this. I take common here. Half into 6v2 square plus 3 into 2v2 the whole square, which will be equal to how much? 2v2 the whole square will be 4v2 square, right? Because we want only the value of v2. Okay, so therefore if I simplify this, 3 into 4 becomes 12, 12 plus 6 18, so this will become 9v2 square, or v2 square is equal to 1 by 9, v2 should be equal to 1 by 3. 1 by 3 is that there? Yes, so it should be 0.33. Thus the right answer is B over here. Okay, so let us move on to the 7th question. If you do not understand any part of it, do comment on the comment section, and maybe I can do a much more detailed video by giving one more step or two more steps. Okay, let us move on to the 7th.